If you have been wondering what Korean women do and how they do it to get that glowing and youthful skin even in their golden years, I managed to dig some well-kept Korean beauty secrets that can help you to turn your skin from dull to enviably beautiful and gorgeous. So do like it and watch till the end of the video and you'll learn a lot of useful information. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Proper nutrition. In Korea, everyone knows that the gastrointestinal tract affects the appearance. To have a healthy face and toned body, Korean women strictly control their diet. They eat cereals, vegetables and fruits more often. They avoid sweets and flour products, which are practically absent from shelves in Korea. Any kind of meat is welcome, but it is better if it is steamed. Korean women also drink a lot of pure, non-carbonated and unsweetened water. Tea is the key. Koreans love their cup of tea, and not just for its taste, but for umpteen skin and health benefits. These beauty teas include ginseng tea, roasted barley tea, and green tea to name a few. They are rich in antioxidants and fight acne and other pesky skin issues, which help them to have clear and radiant skin as ever. These brewed drinks are also good for weight loss and blood circulation, which further contribute to their youthful beauty. From their early childhood, Korean girls know that beautiful skin and spectacular appearance are their main assets. They start taking care of themselves in their teens. This teaches them not only how to make the right procedures and know the nuances of their skin, but also self-discipline. That's why Korean women stay young for a long time. Take a steamy shower. Steams and facial massage can revive and repair your skin, and Koreans know it all too well. They pamper themselves with a quick facial every morning in a steamy shower, while steam open pores and help clear any dirt and grime settled in them. Massaging your damp skin ensures younger looking and glowing skin. Take steamy shower and massage your face and neck while in the shower to get dewy and healthy skin. Try facial exercises. If we have learned anything about Korean women and their devotion to their skin is that they would do anything and everything to get it perfect and toned. The most striking feature of Korean women is their V-shaped jawline, and this is a result of face workout. They practice brief mouth stretches to keep their skin firm and bright. Face exercises like puckering lips and moving sideways, saying vowels out loud, smiling and swallowing with your chin up help lift droopy and saggy skin and tighten it. Trust charcoal for clear skin. Korean were the ones who introduced and single-handedly popularized the charcoal face masks. Started as Korean beauty trend, charcoal masks are now everywhere. It exfoliates skin and nicks the blackheads and whiteheads in one go. They rely on charcoal sheet masks or prepare a face mask with activated charcoal and other natural ingredients to make their own blackhead clearing mask and thus have the skin we all envy. Tap it till you make it. The women in Korea make sure they get the added benefits from the products by slathering them on right. They do not smack their moisturizers and serums and rub it on. Rather, they dot the product or rub it on their fingertips to warm it up and then apply all over their face in a circular motion. They tap their face after to lightly massage, as they believe that by doing this the product absorbs better and give extra beauty benefits. Exfoliate with a damp cloth. Korean have taken exfoliation a step further and thus flaunt better skin than most of us. A quick and effective skincare hack that they swear by is to use a soft cloth dipped in warm water to scrub their face. It gets the dirt and oil on the nubby cloth and makes your skin clearer and brighter in minutes. Also, this helps keeping wrinkles and fine lines away. Double dose skincare. Korean beauty advocates double dose of skincare products to seal the benefits and preserve the skin's health. This is why Korean women live by the rule of double cleansing, double eye mask and double hydration in their skincare regimen. The step cleansing method includes a foaming face wash followed by an oil-based cleanser. This clears the skin of every last bit of makeup and dirt from face. They also use double eye masks to target crow's feet and fine lines. Don't forget the neck. Korean women take their skincare very seriously and won't miss out on any spot to be wrinkly or saggy. They take equal care of their neck as they do for their face. There's one thing we all absolutely need to learn from them. They slather on neck cream and massage their neck area in an upward motion to keep it as young looking and smooth as their face. Because, well, what's the point of having a radiant and flawless face when you have a wrinkly and dull neck under it? Sleep with an overnight mask on. Your skin goes recovery mode at night, and that's the time it rejuvenates and does all the repairing work. It repairs skin cells, boosts collagen, and revitalizes skin when you are asleep. This is the reason Korean women take their beauty sleep very seriously. Not only that, they also almost never go to bed without a moisturizing overnight mask on. It helps retain and lock the lost moisture in the skin and make it look brighter and fresh in the morning. It also fights aging signs and dullness and gives you a brighter complexion. And there you have it. A treasure trove of beauty secrets from Korea that can totally transform your skincare routine. If you're all about learning more when it comes to skincare and beauty, make sure to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful. Take care of yourself, and I will catch you next time for more amazing insights.